Hey traders, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into the world of prop trading with a focus on City Traders Imperium, a firm that's making waves in the trading community since 2018. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, this video is packed with actionable insights. So stick around as we explore how City Traders Imperium can elevate your trading game. Make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and let's get started. City Traders Imperium, based in the UK, has quickly become a beacon of financial empowerment. Their unique approach is tailored to each trader's journey, offering personalized leverage ratios and account structures. If you're looking for a firm that supports your trading aspirations with flexible options, City Traders Imperium is worth considering. The firm provides a gateway to funding opportunities that can turn your trading dreams into reality, enabling you to grow and succeed in the competitive market. With proper funding, traders can explore and diversify their portfolios across various markets. City Traders Imperium offers a wide range of trading instruments, including Forex, indices, metals, and commodities. This diversity allows traders to explore various sectors. This variety helps in diversifying your trading portfolio, which is crucial for risk management. With minimum deposits starting from just $500, City Traders Imperium makes it accessible for many traders to get started. Look into account types and their respective deposit bonuses that can further enhance your trading capital. Understanding user ratings and the platform's regulatory status is crucial for selecting a trading platform that meets your needs. Always check user reviews and regulatory compliance to ensure the reliability and safety of your trading activities. City Traders Imperium boasts impressive platform features, including customization options, advanced charting tools, and risk management features. Having the right tools at your disposal can make a significant difference in your trading performance. Different account tiers come with various benefits, including profit split percentages and educational resources. Choose an account tier that aligns with your trading goals and capital management strategies. To thrive in trading, it's essential to implement effective risk management techniques, like setting stop-loss orders and monitoring leverage ratios. Protecting your capital is key to long-term success in trading. City Traders Imperium offers social trading and copy trading features, allowing less experienced traders to learn from seasoned professionals. Leverage the knowledge and strategies of successful traders to enhance your own trading outcomes. To wrap up, City Traders Imperium is an excellent choice for traders looking for a supportive and resourceful environment to enhance their trading skills. From a variety of trading instruments to strong risk management features, this firm offers everything you need to take your trading to the next level. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, leave a comment with your thoughts, and subscribe for more valuable trading insights. Stay tuned for our next video, where we'll discuss advanced trading strategies to boost your profits.